You're at a cafe. Someone sits next to you. They smile and say something.
What do you say back?
Today, we practice exactly that. 100 simple sentences. Real small talk. Just listen and repeat after Lily. Let's go.
She smiles and says hello.
She smiles and says hello.
I wave at the door.
I wave at the door.
He walks into the room.
He walks into the room.
She looks friendly today.
She looks friendly today. I say good morning. I say good morning.
They arrive at the same time.
They arrive at the same time. He opens the door slowly.
He opens the door slowly.
She enters the cafe first. She enters the cafe first.
I sit down at the table.
I sit down at the table.
We look at each other.
We look at each other. He speaks first. He speaks first. She asks a simple question. She asks a simple question. I answer slowly. I answer slowly. They talk for a moment. They talk for a moment.
He nods and smiles. He nods and smiles.
She listens carefully. She listens carefully.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath. We start talking. We start talking. He says something short. He says something short. She responds with a smile. She responds with a smile.
I ask about her name.
I ask about her name. He tells me his job. He tells me his job. She works in a small office. She works in a small office.
They live near the city center.
They live near the city center.
He knows the area well.
He knows the area well. She moved here last year. She moved here last year. I came here by train. I came here by train. We both like this place. We both like this place. He studies in the evenings. He studies in the evenings. She speaks 3 languages. She speaks 3 languages.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning. She also likes tea. She also likes tea.
He reads books on weekends.
He reads books on weekends. We both enjoy walking. We both enjoy walking. They often eat here.
They often eat here. She knows this cafe well.
She knows this cafe well. I come here every week. I come here every week.
He works nearby.
He works nearby.
She takes the same bus. She takes the same bus. We live in the same area.
We live in the same area.
That actually made me smile.
That actually made me smile.
He looks surprised.
He looks surprised.
She nods slowly. She nods slowly.
They agree quickly.
They agree quickly.
I feel comfortable now. I feel comfortable now.
He seems relaxed. He seems relaxed. She feels more confident. She feels more confident. We both feel at ease. We both feel at ease. I understand him now. I understand him now. They continue talking. They continue talking. She checks her phone. She checks her phone. He looks outside. He looks outside. I order another coffee. I order another coffee. We wait for the waiter. We wait for the waiter. She looks at the menu. She looks at the menu. He points at something. He points at something. I ask for the bill. I ask for the bill. They stand up slowly. They stand up slowly. She puts on her coat. She puts on her coat. He picks up his bag. He picks up his bag. I ask where she works. I ask where she works. He wonders about the time. He wonders about the time. She asks about the weather. She asks about the weather. They ask for a recommendation. They ask for a recommendation. I wonder what to say next. I wonder what to say next. He thinks for a moment. He thinks for a moment. She pauses before answering. She pauses before answering. We both think carefully. We both think carefully. I find the right word. I find the right word. He speaks more slowly. He speaks more slowly. She changes the subject. She changes the subject. I mention the weekend. I mention the weekend. He talks about his plans. He talks about his plans. They laugh together. They laugh together.
I share a short story.
I share a short story. She remembers something funny. She remembers something funny. He tells a small joke. He tells a small joke. We both smile. We both smile. I feel the conversation flow. I feel the conversation flow. She keeps it simple. She keeps it simple. He looks at the clock.
He looks at the clock.
She finishes her coffee.
She finishes her coffee.
I stand up slowly.
I stand up slowly.
We say goodbye.
We say goodbye.
He waves at the door. He waves at the door.
She smiles one more time.
She smiles one more time.
I walk outside.
I walk outside. They go in different directions.
They go in different directions.
He turns and waves again. He turns and waves again.
She feels good about the conversation.
She feels good about the conversation. I think about what I said.
I think about what I said. He remembers her name. He remembers her name.
She feels less nervous now.
She feels less nervous now.
They exchange numbers.
They exchange numbers.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
He sends a short message.
He sends a short message.
She replies quickly.
She replies quickly.
We plan to meet again.
We plan to meet again.
I look forward to next time.
I look forward to next time.
She looks forward to the next conversation.
She looks forward to the next conversation.
And that's 100. How did that feel?
If you made it to the end, that's real progress.
And if you practice with us today, write this in the comments. I practiced today. Or if you repeated all 100 sentences, write 100 sentences complete.
Every comment means a lot to us.
Take care. See you next time.